I'm gonna stop here for a moment. I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna stop here.
It'll still be there. I still see it. Slow down a little bit.
Oh yeah, still there.
It's probably occluding.
It's
It's probably doing a handoff right now. You can see the new.
Oh yeah, look at it now.
All right,
I'm gonna stop.
closer to it. Keep on going on this road.
Beautiful tornado. Beautiful. Wow. Dude, that's it kind of does. Well, I wouldn't say that. No, it's fully condensing. Look at that. Please do not. I hope it's not hitting anything. Let's pray to God. Yep, I'm filming. I'm filming it while I'm locked in on the road. Going slow. These roads are horrible, but what is it doing? Yeah, probably. It's a strong tornado. Oh, look at that motion. Look at it. Whoa. Look at the vortice.
There's still no warning on this for some reason. What are we doing?
We're gonna get closer.
What are we doing?
All right, I'm gonna stop here, so I don't want to get too close to this thing. Are we good? Okay. Jesus. Thank you. Okay. My God, it's still going. This thing is not giving up.
Start pulling out.
Oh my God.
Oh, it might be trying to re-strengthen again.
It could. Wow.
Lots of machines there.
Yeah. What you doing, tornado? Shit, it's just vibing there.
Multi-vortex. Ground is extremely low. There might be air headlights behind us.
Okay. All right, I gotta roll out my window because the RP's coming.
That might actually win. I'm not gonna lie.
Can I please? Oh my, no. I got the unlucky spot. Let me know if there's someone behind me.
Copy that. Dude, that cut is insane.
Wow.
Alright, no, stop. There you go, tornado.
Oh, cone,
hey,
cone. You have a cone.
Yeah.
We have a cone tornado right there. There's another one. I'm gonna keep going, guys.
That is like Minden.
That looks might be intense.
Dude,
Hold on.
that thing is insane.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Dude! Yeah, keep on going, Jack. You're good. We're doing great. There goes Clint. Let's go.
There he goes. Clint Hendricks right there.
Let's freaking go. All right, you're gonna follow Clint. He is freaking amazing.
Hi, Clint Hendricks. Hope you're enjoying your day right now, because I'm also documenting this tornado as well.
This is just like Minden.
Oh my god!
Dude, this. Oh my god.
Look at that motion.
Very
Keep mindful of this road. It curves.
I'm locked in.
Copy that.
Oh, there's a satellite.
There's a satellite tornado.
Where?
Like, oh my God. It's violent. Just keep on going.
Okay. Is it done?
It's a big old wall cloud. All right, you can start slowing down now. Really start slowing down. Oh, no,
my
there's
God.
debris.
Multiple
Major debris.
subvortices. Multiple subvortices.
Oh my gosh. All right, keep on going. Keep on going.
Multiple subvortices.
Dude, that is violence. Oh my gosh.
Violent tornado. Violent.
That was, oh Jesus.
That is insane motion.
Pray, there's
Oh
major
my God.
debris
I
there.
hope it does not hit. I hope it does not hit anything. Please no. Please no.
All right.
Oh my
there's
God.
major debris.
Major. Is it hitting houses or anything?
It might be. There's like so much debris in there.
Oh no. Oh my God.
All right, we're gonna be in a grove of trees for a second.
Oh, the trees are horrible.
Holy cow.
All right. We're having. Oh, it's still carouseling.
All right. We're gonna have to let this person pass.
Yeah, we might have to.
Put on your hazards.
Where is it?
Still down. Oh my God.
Wow.
Still down.
Wow.
Still down.
That
There's
is
debris in there.
violence.
That is debris.
All right.
Okay. You want me to stop?
Yes. Slow down. Slow down. Really slow down here.
Oh, that's gonna be a hog.
Oh
That
my
is a
God.
It already is. Oh
Dude.
my God.
All right. Yeah, this is perfect.
I'm getting out. I want to record this.
All right. Copy
Get
that.
out.
Dude. All right. I'm locked. I'm locked.
Get me out.
Jack, the car's moving.
Is it?
Parking.
No, it's not.
It's
No,
not.
that's-
Go to the car.
How did it not move? Wow. Now is this like April 26th?
Yes.
Oh my God.
This is exactly how it will. All right. Stop.
Oh my God.
Right on that gravel road. Right on that gravel road.
Go grab a road. Okay.
Yes. No, stop right here. Stop. Actually, go.
Go to the top of that hill.
Yeah, get on top of that hill.
Look at that freaking motion.
Dude,
that
that
was-
motion is violence.
We're gonna listen to it here in a moment.
Oh my God.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, I've never been this close before.
Yeah, keep on going, man.
I'm 0 metering it.
Yeah. Oh, we're good. We're great. All right,
Okay,
stop right here. Stop. Sorry for yelling.
It's okay. It's okay. You're good. You're all good. I don't blame you. All right.
Getting out?
Yeah, getting out. Unlocked. Go. 5 seconds. Actually, no, 30 seconds. Keep in mind.
Horizontal vortex. Horizontal. Hear it. Here we go. Continue. We're in a good spot. We're still good. Goodness, I've never seen it. This is gonna be a long tracker. Yeah. It's like I'm gonna hold on. Let me like face this that way, face it this way. Unless I don't know where
Those rain curtains are kind of zooming. All right, where do we want to go?
I need a napkin. I need a paper.
Dude, there's a water source
Yeah.
over there.
Oh wow.
I need to be filming.
Yeah, why aren't you?
All right. Let's continue going.
Oh, it's still going. Look,
Yeah.
elephant trunk. Wait, I want to wait here. I want to wait here for a couple minutes. It's still going. Oh, look at it sidewind. Look at it sidewind like that.
It's just insane. Career day almost.
I think it already
This
is.
is a career day.
This is basically a career day for 2026.
This is a career day for me.
What? Oh my God! No, it's a needle. It's so thin. That is still going.
Yeah.
Goodness gracious. Oh wow, look at it now. Look at that.
Oh, it's done.
It's
Unlock the door, please.
it's raining.
Unlocked.
It's a rain wrap tornado. All right, I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna let it cross right in front of us.
Yeah. Good play.
This thing is a freaking gnarly tornado. Oh no.
Yeah, this is the same one.
It has to be. No, it has to be a different one.
Yeah, it's probably a good one.
Oh heck no. Now I'm getting text messages. If that's a freaking beast. If that's it.
What's a day?
I just don't care if I score anymore.